Hello and welcome to Easy Tech Geek. Today in this video, we will learn that how this window and R command is so powerful. Alright, so let's get started. So when we press in the Windows, in Windows 10 or 7 or 8 computer, when we press Window and R, we open the Run command. Now from here, I'll tell you a few things which we can do, and you might know those shortcuts, those things, and you may not. So I would request you to watch the whole video. Please pardon me for the background noise. Alright, so let's get started. Now the very first thing is you can type Notepad and Notepad will open. The second, it's a very common thing. The second is you can type WinWord.exe and it will open up the Microsoft Word for you. All right. The third one, which is very important, is clean MGR. So when you type clean MGR and hit OK, you actually open up the disk cleanup utility. And here you can delete all the junks by one go, like this. Do you see that? So you can simply check mark and just click on OK and it will delete all the bad files created by the system will be wiped out. And that's we have done through Window and R. Now I'll press Window and R again. I can type here appwiz.cpl. Now by typing appwiz.cpl and hit enter, you open the program features. Here you can uninstall the applications which you do not want. All right. The another one is devmgmt.msc. So this form is like device management. So it's devmgmt.msc and hit enter. And you will find the device manager in front of you. Here you can update the drivers. Let's say if I have a graphic card which is not working well, I can simply go to the display drivers. I just do a right click and I click on update driver. So how important this window and R is, you must have understand. One more thing, if you want to open any drive, so let's say if I want to open C drive, I can do like this. C colon backslash and hit enter and you will open up the C drive. And if you want to open your app data, appdata, it will open up local roaming. We'll talk later what exactly those app data is. One more thing which you can do by window and R by pressing window and R and type temp. Once you type temp and hit enter, you will find all these temporary internet files. These are all junk files. Let me just delete all these junks and I have got it. So few will remain, that's fine. Again, press window and R and type percentage temp. Here you will find loads of these are the junks which is sitting in the computer and making the computer slow. Let me just delete all these 540 items. My God. Let me just wipe out 1.3 gigabytes of junk. Jeez. So few will remain. That's absolutely fine. So I have removed all the junk. So we learned almost 5 to 8 important things by just pressing window and R. Right. So if you think that this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe button. I need your support. And in future, there will be tons of videos. There are already videos, Windows 10 helpful videos in day-to-day life. So please enjoy and make those videos useful. Subscribe and hit like and share this video. I need your support. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. And please do take care in this scenario, the current situation which you're going on. So please do take care of yourself. Maintain the social distancing and everything. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Love you.